Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix OnStream app not loading or stuck on loading screen on Android devices. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your device, and once your Android device get restarted, then launch OnStream app and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then second solution is to check for OnStream app update. So from wherever you have installed the OnStream app, just update the OnStream app to the latest version and then check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 3 is to check for internet connection. So check and make sure that your internet is working properly. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. If you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check if it is working or not. If possible, you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi or mobile data via hotspot and then check OnStream app is working or not. Solution 4 is to force stop OnStream app. So tap and hold OnStream app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and then again click on force stop to confirm it, and then you can launch OnStream app and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, the next solution is to clear OnStream app cache. So tap and hold OnStream app icon, then click on app info, then click on storage usage, then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data and confirm it, and then you can launch OnStream app and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again tap and hold OnStream app icon, then click on app info, then go to the battery usage and check mark the first option, allow background activity, then again click on allow to confirm. Now go back and then launch OnStream app and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from Play Store, such as Norton 360, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, NordVPN, Surf VPN, Octohide VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then launch OnStream app and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. If none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall OnStream app. So tap and hold OnStream app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it. And after the uninstall, just restart your device once, and after restarting your device, reinstall OnStream app from wherever you have installed the app and then launch OnStream app and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these solutions, you can easily solve OnStream app not loading or stuck on loading screen problem on Android phone. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.